Hello to all my friends out there. So I endured my 3 days of dieting. Now I want to go off of my diet and eat anything I want. But since I've only been on the diet 3 days, I have to be a little bit careful because if I'm not, I can lose all the ground I have, all the dieting I have. I can mess up my diet and to the point in 4 days that I'm right back where I started. So I identified the problem areas. When you go off of eating anything you want, I was eating large amounts of cereal, large amounts of bread, large amounts of cookies. So on the next 4 days when I'm off the diet, I want to watch out for those problem areas so that, I don't basically have to start all over. Just by being a little bit careful, I can pretty much eat anything I want. So today, I'm just happy I can have bread. Smile joys, you guys. So what I want to make is I want to make like a cheap Polish sandwich. I want to use my Walmart hot dogs. I find them to be pretty good. They're very cheap. So I want a lot of mustard on my hot dog. On my hot dogs. I want quite a bit of hot dog on my hot dog. So I boiled them first. It's going to taste better if your hot dog is boiled. So I have this good cheese, Swiss cheese. It can be any kind of cheese though. It's going to be good with any kind of cheese. So I just want a little cheese. I don't want to go too heavy on the fat either on my days that aren't really a diet day. For the same reason I don't want to pig out too much because, I don't want to... You can get away with it when you're on the low carb days, but on the other days you have to watch fat as well. So I'm just going to have a half a piece of cheese on each piece of bread. So, okay, so that's enough cheese. And then I'm just going to put my hot dogs on my bread. So that's going to give me some tasty cheese on both sides of my hot dog. And so I already buttered my bread. So now I'm just going to make like a grilled cheese sandwich. And this is going to be a decent little sandwich. It's cheap too. These hot dogs are 8 for $1. So 50 cents. So about 12 cents each. Uh-oh, I didn't put I want to put some pickle relish on my hot dogs. I have dill pickle relish, but it could be any kind. Or you could put onions. You could put anything you like. Okay, so now. There we go on that. Okay, so now that's going to be cooking on both sides. So now I want to talk to you guys about, okay, I had a dream, and I'm pretty sure it was one of the followers, and I dreamed that this man, fairly young, ran into like 99 cent only, and he had a silver bracelet on. So if that was you, and he grabbed potatoes from the bottom row on the produce. So today I was out and I had to buy a couple things, and I thought, well, I will check out the potato situation, and there wasn't any. So I think I'm trying to think about what I want to do. So in the meantime, I bought for $1 2 of these at 99 cent only. But I'll try to get the big boxes because these are good until 2021. I haven't figured out how to do the like big 25-pound bag yet. Then I had yesterday on my diet day, I had chocolate milk and I froze it like ice cream. Okay, I couldn't find sugar-free, but this is 29 servings, and for two 2 tablespoons, it's 50 calories. So let's say for like about 2 cups, it might be 130 calories. So that's still cheaper. I mean, that's still less calories, and that worked good for me. I also was now fruit is another thing. They're saying there might be shortages. So I bought these strawberries, and I will freeze them, and I will make smoothies and freeze them like ice cream. And I bought these bananas marked down, so 3 bananas were 26 cents. And then on the diet day, if it starts to get to me, I eat nuts. It's better than cookies. And I was finally able to find some candles. I made myself use all of the 50 candles, the ones that were really, really awful. I forced myself to use them, so now I'm just happy because look at my candle. It's actually got a wick. And another thing I'm going to be stockpiling up is dish soap and dental floss, because that's one of those things that's really, really miserable if you should run out. Uh-oh, my stove isn't on. And then I marked down these tissues. Someone probably took some out because I don't want to ever run out of toilet paper or even come close. And then I bought this bag of briquettes, and it was 50% off, so I got these for $1. So what I want those for is if I should have to use my hibachi, I would have briquettes, so they were on sale, so I took them. Also, you don't want to be running out of propane. Remember my friend I was trying to help? One of her big problems is she ran out of propane. And then I bought baggies, and guess what they don't have? Aluminum foil. Yes. Kind of like the can situation. Okay, so let's see how my sandwich is coming. So, for my desserts, I'm trying to tame down my sugar. I don't want to make life miserable because if I do make my life miserable, it's not going to last. I will just say enough of this. So I came up with frozen smoothies, like the frozen chocolate milk, sugar-free Jell-O, fruit with cheese, and nuts. So those aren't too bad. Also, I bought, I have one yogurt, so I want to start making yogurt again. If you want my recipe, go to my Twitter. And then I have this one for my fruit smoothies. So what I could do on my fruit smoothies is use half as much milk. Let's see if it's ready. Almost. Use half as much milk, half as much yogurt, and not that much cheese because fruit, because I'm not a big lover of fruit, and twice as much milk. So I could go with 1/2 yogurt, 2 cups milk, and say 1/2 cup or 3/4 cup fruit. So now let's see if this thing is ready on one side. Okay, so there you go. This is it. I will be very happy. And then in the refrigerator, I have tea. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless you all.